Hey everybody, it's Lisa. I am posting this video to do the random comment picker thingy on this video that I posted 6 days ago. This was the Cat Lady box for May and the Spoiled Cats Club, and I decided to host a giveaway, giving away the cat, a lot of the toys and the treats. And guess what? You have a really good chance of winning. Look at this, only 11 comments. So yeah, let's get this thing started. I am going to post this video and put my email address in the description box. And just reply on this video that you saw it and that you're going to email me so I know that you saw it. And we'll get the show on the road, and I'll mail the package to you either today or tomorrow. Okay, so what I'm going to do is copy this video URL, and then I found this program right here, and I tested it out on another video to see if it actually worked, and it worked. It was a little tricky to figure out, but what I do is I have to put the video URL in there, and I'm going to pick one winner, and I want to show the random names. I wanted that wheel thingy to work, so I had to mess around with it a little bit, do the little math question here, and then I'm going to go get YouTube comments, and a wheel's going to show right over here. So let's do that right here, get YouTube comments. And like I said, there was only 11 comments, so you have a really good chance to win. And I wanted to see the little wheel thingy here. I wanted to see the names. And now I'm not seeing it. So wait, let me see what I can do about that. There we go. Show wheel names. Durr. Okay, there it is. Okay, so here's the names. And let's see who won the little prize pack. And the winner is April Loves Cats Forever 90. And here's her very nice comment. And today's date, 9:06 a.m. So April, congratulations, and I'm happy to send you this prize package, and I'm happy to see you're a new subscriber to my channel. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to go ahead and post this video and get the gift out to you. Just reply in the comments and you'll see my email in the description box. Thank you everybody for entering. I so appreciate your support, and I hope to have some more giveaways in the future. So yeah, sorry you didn't win, everybody else. It really hurts me. I wish I had gifts for all of you, but just one winner this time, which is April. All right, all. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.